back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny, and in this video, as you read the title, I am going to share with you guys the quickest and easiest way to edit your pictures and make your pictures look more creative and Instagram worthy. So if you're interested to know more about it, then please keep on watching till the end. But before going ahead with the video, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed. Please do follow me there. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to watch more such content in future. And yeah, now let's get into the video. So basically it's an app. You just need to download this app and you are all done, and most of us are already familiar with this app. So the app I'm talking about is B612. Now in this video I will be sharing how I edit my pictures with this app, and I will be also sharing how to use the features of this app to make your pictures, as I said, creative and Instagram worthy. In this app you will find plenty of features like so many good filters, aesthetic, dreamy, retro filters and effects also, and a lot of stickers for free. Everything is free here. You can add blinks, you can add texts and so much more. So let's begin with the first picture editing. So first I'm going to crop this picture in this Instagram ratio, which is 4:3, and then I wanted the window shadow in this picture. So here you will find different kind of shadows in this AR filter section, and also you will find more in the effects section. In the light tab you can increase or decrease the amount of it, and I am choosing this particular effect. Now going to the just section to make the effect more realistic. Here you can adjust the light settings. So first I'm gonna decrease the brightness to create more shadow, decrease the shadow for the same, increasing the vignette which makes the corners of the picture darker, which is really needed for this picture, increasing the contrast and highlights a little, then increasing the temperature also, then going to the HSL section and increasing the saturation of the orange and the luminance, then save it, and after that going to the light tab again, and here are some light effects like this which looks really good. So I am applying this one which looks like tree shadow kind of effect, and yeah, this is the final picture after editing. For the next picture, I wanted to add butterfly wings to this. So here is an option called sticker. You will find plenty of different category sticker here for free. You can go to the search option, and from here you can see more different categories of sticker packs. You can download any of them for free, or you can even create your own sticker with the scissor sign option. Just tap on the create sticker and you can select any picture from your gallery, then cut them out the part you want as your sticker, and you are done. Just place the sticker wherever you want. You can edit the sticker, you can change the opacity, you can erase the unwanted parts, and similarly I have added another wing. Now going to the just option and first decreasing the highlights, increasing the warmth, and then HSL option pe jaake I'm gonna edit the main colors of the pictures like red, increasing the saturation and luminance and decreasing the hue. For skin tone I'm increasing the saturation and luminance of the orange. You need to change these things according to your picture. Keep that in mind because every picture don't have the same lighting color tones. So yeah, now go to the effects tab, and here you will find bling tab. Here are plenty of different kind of blings that you can add to your picture which are really trending right now. You can add filters from the filter tab too. So I am adding the 90s 2 named filter. This pinkish purplish filters are really trending. Save this, and after that going to the effects tab and going to the light tab and applying this lightly kind of filter. Save it, and lastly I'm adding blinks. You can increase or decrease the amount of the blinks, and yeah, that's the final picture after editing. For this picture, first I am going to edit the basic lighting because the picture is too bright and whitish. For that I am reducing the highlights, then go to the HSL option and I'm gonna edit the blue, yellow and orange color. After that I'm increasing the highlights a little, also decreasing the shadows, increasing the warmth and the tint, then save it, and then I am going to the brush option, and here you will find plenty of cute things. So basically you can draw anything. or you can stroke to bring this thing on your picture. So here I am selecting the rainbow brush. You can increase or decrease the size of the brush. Now selecting the eraser option and erasing the parts where the rainbow is overlapping. Save it when you are done. Then I am going to the filter option and I am applying this filter called beauty. And lastly I wanted to add a dreamy kind of effect and filter, so going to the AR filter option and selecting this filter, and yeah, that's the final picture. For this picture I am increasing the saturation as well as the hue, decreasing the luminance of the blue color, increasing the saturation and the luminance of red and orange, increasing the contrast, decreasing the highlights, increasing the vignette, and then save it, and then going to the effects tab, and again I want those pinkish aesthetic filters, so selecting this one 90s 2. Then for finishing touch, again going to the effects tab, select any light click effect. Now for some picture you can even save this picture as a video like this one, and yeah, this is the final result. For this picture, first thing I'm gonna do is edit the basic light setting, which is so much important and it makes a big difference. So I am decreasing the brightness, contrast, highlights and the shadow, increasing the warmth and vignette. Then I'm gonna edit the main color separately. So red ke liye I want the color more deeper, so increasing the saturation and decreasing the luminance. For orange, increasing the saturation and the luminance. Yellow ke liye increasing the saturation and decreasing the luminance, and for magenta, increasing the saturation and decreasing the luminance. Then go to the light curve and I am taking the top point a little higher, then tap save when you are done. Then going to the effects tab and I wanted to apply this lens flare kind of effect, decreasing the amount to make it look more natural. Lastly, going to the filter option and applying this filter called feel, decreasing the amount of it, and yeah, here is the final picture after editing. For this picture I am going to the filter option and selecting this filter named Floral 2. Now here you will find this makeup option. From here you can change the shape of your face, eyes, eyebrows, nose and lips, and lastly going to the effects tab and applying this aesthetic pinkish bling wala filter, and yeah, here is the final result. So basically with this app you can edit your pictures like this. Yeah, it's that simple. It has all these filters and effects to choose from, and the best parts, all these are for free. So go download the app right now and be creative and enjoy. And you know what, you can edit your videos with this app too. It also has some amazing features for video editing which I'm not going to talk about in this video. Uske liye you guys have to wait a little. I will share those in my other video, nahi to ye video bahut hi lamba and boring ho jayega. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below and share this video. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.